Have you ever had that day where you wake up to do something, but instead winding up in doing something else? Well, that is exactly what happened to me. I woke up today thinking I'll make another boring video for that one viewer that probably watches 1 second of it and then goes back to watching other good content on YouTube. I don't blame you. But honestly, I'm shameless and I don't care, so I made this video anyways. Following the norm, I go to grab my phone stand and what do I find? It's broken. Alright, so I tried finding creative ways of mounting my phone, but they all failed. I tried leaning it against the keyboard and the monitor stand. The one that I'm proud of is where I rest the phone against the water bottle. But then I had to bend down to be in frame and the whole thing just did not work. Alright, so it was time to order a new phone stand. I proceeded to turn on my computer so that I could order a new phone stand. Little did I know that this broken phone stand would lead me to buying a new graphics card and installing a fresh copy of Microsoft Windows. I turned on my computer just like every day, thinking it would take me to my desktop, but instead, a black screen of death welcomes me. And here we are. I guess. It did not. So I'm gonna try. You have to do that at specific times, I think. I don't know why they make it so complicated. But let me try that again. Alright, so now it's gonna go in the disk checking mode. So let it do that thing now. It did that before, but the result was garbage. Alright, so the scanning is complete. And now we are doing another restart. Fingers, everything crossed. Okay, preparing automatic repair. Didn't you just do that? I thought we did that already. Alright. Diagnosing your PC. Okay. So now it's gonna, I don't even know if they're, okay, so now we go to, oh man, focus. All right, so now we go to this advanced. All right, so now it's advanced options. I'll try to log into or put the PC in safe mode. So I'll go troubleshoot, advanced options, startup setup, and restart. All right, Bill Gates. Well, okay, he's not there, but whoever you are, for the 100th time, we're gonna restart this thing. All right, so enable debugging, safe. Okay, I have, so I'll choose number 5 because that's safe mode with networking. All right, so let's see now what happens. And the thing, sorry guys, the thing is not on tripod, the camera, because the tripod broke also at the same time. So maybe the tripod also is connected to Microsoft somehow, I don't know. What the heck is this now? The system detected an overrun of a stack-based buffer in this application. Okay. What? So how do I go into safe mode then? How am I gonna fix this PC? It's like all doors are blocked. So should I just get like a new graphics card or what should I do? I don't understand this. All right, so now I'm gonna try with command prompt. So if I can get the IP address and remote desktop, I don't know, let me try that. But Microsoft officially sucks, honestly. I'm just tired of this. Gotta find another option. All right, so after all that drama, which none of that worked, the next option is to go to a command prompt. I think I need to list all the drives, and the command I found was wmic logical disk get name. So here we go. So I think I need to change to C drive because that's my primary. And now I'm gonna do check disk. All right, so there we go. So now it's gonna run through this thing and hopefully
Okay, so the check disk thing finished, and as I expected, there are no issues with the disk. So yeah, the disk is fine. I'm 100% sure this is the display driver messing up with the graphics card. So either I have to update that or the other.
All right, so at this point now it was time to list all the drivers, and then probably I thought I'll just delete the latest one, and then once that's deleted, then I'll keep rebooting and then trying, then delete the next one, and also that did not help at all. All right, so now the next course of action was to find the updates, and I tried listing all the updates, and then I was like, you know what I'll do? I'll delete the latest update and then delete the next one, and then keep going that way. But they don't make it that easy because I kept getting error. I was actually executing the command from the wrong place. So first I had to find the right place to execute the WUSA command, and then once I got there, executed the command, boom. To my surprise, I'm not able to delete the updates.
All right, so I went ahead and bought a new graphics card. It's used, but I hope it's not abused. So we're gonna see how this functions. So I'm gonna open that up, remove the other graphics card, put this one in, and we're gonna try again. Well, let's plug it in and see what happens. Alright, so the graphics card didn't work. So now the next thing is I created a bootable USB drive and plugged that in. Went into my BIOS and set that as the first boot device. So here we are, and I'm gonna uninstall the latest. Okay, it says quality updates and feature updates. What the heck? Let's just do quality updates. We ran into a problem. Microsoft keeps running into problems. I don't get it. And so does my focus. All right, so troubleshoot again, uninstall updates. How about feature updates? Uninstall. We ran into a problem in one way. Okay, so again they ran into a problem. Okay, system restore, system image, startup repair. Okay, so we'll okay, that they couldn't repair my PC. Troubleshoot. System restore. Okay, how about this? All right, that doesn't work. Should I do this? If nothing works, then I'm gonna have to install a new Windows, I guess. Okay, so as you can see, there's the USB. All right, so I didn't make any changes. We're gonna go ahead. I don't want to upgrade the BIOS because that will just create more issues. All right, so here's the boot drive that I was talking about. So whatever, who cares? I don't know if I see. That's the thing. Like none of these work, so I don't even know what to do with this. Oh man. Try again. Uninstall quality updates, and Microsoft keeps running into issues. Right, so I guess the only option I have is install Windows. Yeah.
All right, so here we go, Microsoft. Are you happy? I formatted the drive. I'm gonna lose everything. I mean, I did make a backup, but yeah, I hope you're happy.
Well, here it is, a fresh window, just came out of the oven, wasted my entire day. I mean, I came out to do something, but ended up doing something else. Now I have to reconfigure the computer, install everything all over again. So, yes, thank you, Microsoft.